This CRX presentation focuses on case studies. Before we begin, let's recap. CRX is a data integrator consisting of modules that can be configured to produce a versatile, scalable application. Your application can then move huge volumes of data, transform, filter, and enrich data in real time at lightning speed using our specially designed in-memory processing technology. Now, let's look at a couple of case studies. The first case study focuses on fraud detection while continuing downstream business-as-usual processing. Here we have 29 upstream servers, each providing their own unique file content at varying times throughout the day. CRX waits for files to arrive and begins processing using an allocated processing stream. In this example, there are 42 streams running concurrently. In the meantime, fraud analysts have set thresholds within an Oracle database to monitor telephone SMS activity. 3 SMSs per hour may be considered normal behavior, whereas 300 SMSs per hour are to be considered suspicious and should be reported. CRX interrogates the Oracle thresholds, and when suspicious activity is detected, CRX forwards the matching account details to the fraud analyst. At the same time, CRX continually filters the data to reduce the volume and transforms it to provide a suitable format for a downstream server. The second case study focuses on producing analytics and providing enriched information. The highlights are CRX's ability to handle different record types within one file. As an example, one file contains 26 different record types. These record types are simply read and processed in the order in which they occur, without the need to first split the file 26 ways. In addition, CRX can process lists of files, without needing each file to be identified separately. This was a mandatory requirement, as there was no predictability to the number of upstream files each day, nor to their file names. Another feature of CRX is that compressed files are read natively. That is, they do not need to be decompressed prior to processing. And in order to further reduce disk space use, CRX pipe technology was used. Now for the details. CRX firstly transports files from a remote location and then reads 15 gigabytes of compressed data. The processing is further optimized by distributing data into 16 parcels and processing all 16 concurrently. The largest data files are processed first, with the smaller sized files slotted in at later stages. The CRX job scheduling is also dependency aware. Subsequent processing is not begun until all of a job's dependencies have been met. CRX produces data for a number of different downstream applications, for an Oracle database and for a presentation package. Statistics are also produced daily. Finally, CRX uses the original data as the basis for an enriched data file and inserts new data within each record, as well as new records that summarize the customer's activity. All of this processing happens automatically in lights out mode in the early hours of each morning, so that the results are available when our downstream clients begin work each day. This concludes our CRX case study presentation. Please feel free to contact us for more information or view more of our presentations. You can find us on the web at www.crx.com.